And this wig is amazing. I colored it this color from black. And you guys know how hard it is to get black hair colored, especially if you're not working with good hair. Look how well this hair colored from the lace all the way to the end, y'all. Like crazy. This is the bomb. And I have her wax stick. I have her melting spray. I'm so ready to use this spray after I lay this lace down, because I've never used it before and I'm just so ready to use it, you know. I have her hot comb. She sent me a razor comb. I was so excited, y'all. I never got a package this good. Like, she sent me clamps. I got this. I even got a brand new pair of tweezers. Like, wow, this package was amazing. No lie. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me tell y'all how good this band is. She sent me this package, I want to say maybe almost 2 weeks ago, and I'm just now having time to do the video. But I've been opening this. I've been using this since I got the package. That's how good this band is. It's like an elastic band, but it's like soft, and it's like you could tie it down really tight, and it like hold your lace in place for a long time. I use this every night. Every night. I don't care who hair I cut on. I use her scarf because this scarf is amazing. If you guys just want to go on her website and order this will keep your lace laid, period. I'm gonna start by cleaning around my hairline because I have makeup on. So let's start by doing that. I have a small mirror down here that's like, it's basically helping me see closer, so I'll know like exactly what I'm doing, because I can't really use my phone camera to see. But I'm just gonna clean around my hairline. Just a little, just because if you try to lay it with makeup or anything on, it's not gonna stick, you know. And I want this lace to lay, baby. Okay. So I've already plucked this wig and everything, so I basically just gotta get straight into gluing it down. And I've already cleaned around my hairline, as you guys can see. The wig on first. Ooh, oh shit, it's cute. I'm just gonna slide it on first, and I'm gonna position it exactly where I want it to lay and make sure that it's above the cap, which it is. So after I get my wig in position, yep, it's definitely in position, and I kind of like mine's down a little because my forehead, being honest, my forehead is like long, like it's big, and I like to cover my forehead a little. I don't care. So now I'm just gonna pull it back, leaving it in the same place, because when I lay it, I just want to have to pull my lace down and it'll be laid. Easy, right? I take really hot showers and I work every day, like literally I work every day, so I want my lace to last for at least 2 weeks. So I'm gonna put a lot of glue on mine, and I don't want the glue on my cap, or like put that glue wherever it needs to be if you putting a wig on my head, because I know how to remove it without snatching my hair out. So I'm really good on like I put glue on my cap too, basically, is what I'm trying to say. I'm not afraid of it touching my hair because I know how to properly remove my wig without damaging my hair, if that makes sense. First layer is dried clear. You can apply the second layer, so let's go ahead and do that one. Y'all, that's how you know if you're if it's clean as well too, like if it dries clear fast, like, or if it even dries clear, because sometimes if your skin is dirty it will not dry clear, like, you know what I mean. I'm gonna be so cute with this color. I haven't had color in so long because I've been working so much. And I haven't really had time to just be creative and do anything with my hair. So now I have the time and I want to do something really, really cute. Okay, so when I'm laying it, I just have to really grab the two edges and you want to bring it down. You can lay it side by side if that works better for you. It doesn't matter which side you lay first. I literally lay this side first because it's just better for me, you know. Then you lay your second side. And you wanna take a comb and you can comb through it and make sure everything is stuck. But before I remove the excess lace, I'm gonna take my blow dryer on cool just to make sure all the glue is dry, and before you remove the excess lace, because if it's not dry then it's just gonna be lifting and stuff. You don't want that. I've blow dried it for about, I blow dried it for a while, so I'm good, and I don't feel it like lifting. I feel like it's really, really tight right now, so that's actually a good thing for it to feel tight. Ooh, do y'all think middle or side? Oh, I can really do anything with this wig. I'm gonna do so many styles on this wig, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Just wait a minute. So I will go straight into combing everything back because I'm getting ready to cut the excess lace off, And I don't want to cut any of the hair when I'm cutting off the extra lace, you know what I mean? So let's just comb all of that back. Let me spray this. It's just a little soft spritz. And I'm gonna just comb it back. Just to keep the hair back, you know, out of the way. It makes it easier to manipulate the hair, you know. And I'm just taking some small scissors and I'm gonna cut directly up into the hairline. This is just a spray bottle with alcohol in it. I'm just gonna be wiping my fingers as I work because I don't like to spread product. And I actually use my fingers to lay the glue, so I have to like alcohol my fingers every time I smooth a layer because I don't like to use like the what you call it? I don't like to use the sticks or the end of the comb. I feel like I have better control with the glue when using my finger. So that's why I use my finger. I mean, I can use a popsicle stick or whatever, but I like working with what's best for me. So that's what I do. And it's actually best for me. So this is actually a lace frontal wig, so like it's a frontal in the front and it's tracks in the back, but let's see. I like to determine where I want my part and how I want to do my hair before I part off my baby hairs as well. I forgot to say that. So right now I'm just trying to see if I want to do a middle part. I know I want a lot of baby hairs. I love baby hairs. So I'm probably gonna be over the top with my baby hair. I like to have one of these brushes as well. A bigger one than this, but still like an edge brush, just to like spray the brush and like set hairs in place as you work. So after parting off my sideburn, I would just push that behind my ear and I would just go in and brush the rest of the hair back that I don't want to part of my sideburn. So yeah, just like that. And it's like, it kind of keeps it in place. And you can even brush your sideburn down to keep that part down. You see what I mean? Like it's gonna stay there. But I have to like clean up around my ear a little bit. I'm gonna use the Sleek Finish wax stick to set my part. So just rub on both sides. Oh, not too hard. I did that way too hard. And I can cut some more of this lace off the front as well. Parted off my baby hairs on this side. I just gotta spray and brush it back. And y'all, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side with my wax stick. Using this to sleek everything back. I'm taking the hot comb and making sure all of this stays in place. And I like to do this before I tie my lace down, just because everything, it could be, you know, while you tie your lace down, it could be getting laid in the right place, like already in form, and like, you know what I mean? So basically it's just like molding it and like, you know, having it in place. But this first, oh, I almost forgot. So we have melted spray. I'm gonna spray that actually on the lace before I tie it down. I'm gonna spray the melting spray first, and then I'm gonna tie it down. because I feel like since it's melting spray, it should probably be tied on. It should probably be sprayed on before we tie the lace down. Just because the band is gonna be pushing it into my skin, giving it that extra melt and melting spray. That sounds amazing. So I'm just super excited to try. I use the clamps to clamp my hair back, but I'm gonna leave the baby hairs out. How about we do this? We go ahead and put some makeup on my part. Therefore, we can see what all needs to be plucked. It says shake well, so let's shake it up. I never used this before, so I'm going to read the directions. It says shake well, spray across hairline, work in sections, start with one section, apply lace piece and blow dryer. And dry with blow dryer on cool set and repeat on the next section until lace is completely. Okay, so we gotta tie down this lace for 15 to 20 minutes. It says work in section. Blow dry on cool. Comb all my hair back one more time, because before I tie it down, I like to make sure all the hair is where it's supposed to be, because it's actually going to be molding into place while it's tied down. So I just want everything to be laid, you know? So this side is kind of still there, but I want it to be A1. Now, this amazing band that I've been talking about, I can finally show you guys. Actually, these baby hairs, I gotta split these down in the middle. Like this, because I couldn't see. Okay, so y'all, this is what I mean. It's so stretchy. So stretchy. So you can tie it like this, or you can even fold it. I kind of like to fold it because it's like thick. And I put pressure as I'm like tying it down. And while the lace is tied down, you can tie it in a knot in the back up under the hair. And while the lace is tied down, I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. So, first, you know what I'm gonna do first? This usually isn't a step for me, because I usually like style my style my entire wig before I glue it on a mannequin. So, what I'm actually gonna do is go ahead and cut these baby hairs down some, because they're like totally in my way. That was just like a piece of track sticking out. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs down some. I'm gonna just take the razor comb that was given to me in the package, and I'm just cutting them down. I mean, it don't have to be perfect because I'm gonna actually redo them again, but I'm just cutting them down to get them out my way and off of the lashes, because it's kind of annoying when you're working. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten it first, because I just want it to be straight before I style it any other way. So I want it to be silky straight. Right now I'm just brushing it, and it comes about here. So yeah, let's straighten this. And after we straighten it, because the lace has to be tied down for at least 15 to 20 minutes after using the melting spray. So after I straighten it, I'm gonna sleek my baby hairs, tie my baby hairs down, let my baby hairs dry. After my baby hairs dry, then we're gonna be all done. This color is beautiful. Start from the bottom. That's what I like to do. Let's just say that. I like to start from the bottom. Especially when you're going on hair. And the only thing I'm going to be using is these two to straighten my hair. Not really a lot of the spritz though. That's just the heat protecting spray. It's not too oily. I mean, it works really, really well. And these are H2 Pro Silk Flat Irons. And they work really, 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 really amazing. So I'm in love with these. I just wish it was like a wider plate, like, you know what I mean? But yeah, they're H2 Pro Silk. One of my clients actually brought me those. Misha brought me these. They look so good. So everything that I did to this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. And after I straighten my hair, I just run my hot comb through it, you know, just to make sure everything is flat and like, you know what I mean? And I got every strand, by the way. That's another reason why I run my hot comb through my hair. And this band is tied like, not super duper tight, but it is tied like tight. That's the only way your lace is gonna like melt. And this wasn't a HD lace or transparent lace. This was a this was actually brown lace. So it usually like requires more work for those laces to melt into your skin. So from what I've seen, like this looks really good. So if that melting spray melts my lace even more into my skin and makes it look like I have on a HD or a very, very thin lace, I'm gonna be so happy. See the difference? You see the difference? So cute, right? So I'm just gonna, no, I probably shouldn't throw that to the back. Okay, so let's do the other side. Okay, so I've straightened the entire wig. I'm gonna let you guys see after the baby hair. So what I want to do is go ahead and take off the scarf. And remember, y'all, remember we used the melting spray. So I'm excited to see. It's a track sticking up in here. I just want to cut it because I can feel it. Yeah, there it is. It's just a piece of track. And I'm excited to see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and untie the band after I sleek my hair back. I'm gonna push both sides behind my ear to get it out the way. Okay, here we go. So as you guys can see, I've straightened the hair already. So I'm just taking the band off. Ouch. Taking the band off, and I'm gonna push both sides behind my ear. So with the melting spray, oh, it's stuck. Oh, this wig ain't going nowhere. I just don't like the. Okay, so now I can. I usually like make a low ponytail while I'm doing my baby hair, but I've already straightened this hair and I really don't want to like put a dent in it, you know? Oh, I know what I'm looking for. I can wear a ponytail as a style too. Oh, it's cute. Okay, now I just gotta cut the baby hairs down more because I'm cutting them down more because basically they're too long. I just cut them to get them out of the way. So you want to cut short but not too short. But the shorter they are, the more natural they look. I just don't like mine too short because I like heavy swoops sometimes. And I like to use my honey almond foam, this, and just a little of the Got to Be Glue gel. This. So I'm gonna do one pump because I like to work little by little when doing my own hair. One pump, one squirt. This should be enough from one side actually. I'm gonna start with this side. So now I just basically got the middle ones to do. Peel the paper off. Okay, we got a little piece to pull it off. No big deal. So I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys the full length, but thank you guys for tuning in. I will be dropping a video of me doing my own hair more, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that bell to get a notification every time I drop a video. Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Share this video with a friend, and you better subscribe after watching this, period, okay? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do some more styles with this, but this is actually cute.